This is how you can make your own transparency tube. You need a soda bottle, a knife, scissors, whiteout or white paint, black Sharpie or black paint, clear tape, and a ruler. Have an adult help you use the knife to make a slit in the neck of the bottle. Use your scissors to cut all the way around, staying as straight as you can. Use the knife to poke a hole near the bottom line of the bottle. Stretch a piece of the clear tape the length of the bottle. Use the ruler to mark off every centimeter. Use your markers or paint to do alternating ridges on the bottom of the bottle. Put your thumb over your slit, dip this all the way, fill it as full as you can with water, pull it up, and look down. Release water by removing your thumb from the slit. Keep watching. As soon as you can see the black and white, put your thumb back over the hole. Today's transparency is 15 centimeters.